What strength emerges from decades of experience? As we journey through our own timeline, we bear witness to the remarkable accomplishments that time has allowed us to achieve. Time has refined Chen Hsong into an internationally respected name. From our humble beginnings in a 1958 workshop, we've expanded to become a global beacon in injection molding solutions. Our core values have been sharpened over the years, a commitment to innovation, always placing the customer first, and an unwavering pursuit of quality. This allows us, with advanced technology and superior products, to stand side by side with our global partners. For 65 years, Chen Hsong has steadfastly driven innovation, drawing global talent to forge a high-quality R&D team. We've consistently pushed injection molding technology towards precision, intelligence, efficiency, and sustainability. Our technological expertise has been consistently passed down and continuously innovated upon, enabling us to refine our products and cater to the more specialized needs of our customers. Partnership with Mitsubishi. In 2011, Chen Hsong joined forces with Mitsubishi of Japan to form a worldwide strategic partnership covering the full range of technical and manufacturing cooperation. Embracing high standards, smart investment, and quality, Chen Hsong integrates world-class equipment to enhance manufacturing, delivering masterfully crafted products to our customers. To meet a wider array of customer needs, Chen Hsong offers a full spectrum of injection molding solutions, ranging from injection molding machine products to a cloud platform, culminating in an integrated smart factory for our clients. Chen Hsong's products and solutions are widely used in more than 30 industries, including automotive, home appliances, medical consumables, environmental protection, packaging, logistics, 3C electronic, and toys. While we bolster traditional industries worldwide, we also accelerate the rise of next-generation industries. We're proud to say we serve customers in over 85 countries and regions, offering injection molding machines with climbing forces ranging from 20 tons to 6,500 tons. It's our dedication to quality and versatility that sets us apart. Currently, Chen Hsong has reached in-depth collaborations with globally renowned brands such as Archlick, Acus, Beko, BOE, BYD, and Daikin, providing them with cost-effective injection molding solutions. Archlick is a leading global home appliance manufacturer. Thanks to our high-quality, durable, and stable products, Chen Hsong has been a core supplier to Archlick and its subsidiaries for many consecutive years. BYD is a global renowned electric vehicle company. Chen Hsong provides them with lightweight injection molding solutions. These not only meet BYD's requirements for highly complex conditions, but also significantly elevate shop floor intelligence and automation, greatly enhancing production efficiency and benefits. Dolav is an Israel company specializing in producing high-quality large crates and boxes. Chen Hsong custom-built a 6,500-ton large two-platen injection molding machine for them. Since 2014, it has been operating steadily without any failures or interruptions, earning significant praise from the client. To swiftly respond to customer orders and service demands, Chen Hsong has established over 120 service points globally, assembled a professional service team of over 500 experts, and developed a robust system for supplying after-sales spare parts. We provide customers with comprehensive one-stop services, from pre-sales to sales and after-sales support. Chen Hsong actively creates opportunities for face-to-face communication with customers. We collaborate with industry organizations in Germany, the United States, India, Brazil, Turkey, the United Kingdom, and more we participate in various exhibitions and forum events to gain a comprehensive understanding of customer needs. For Chen Hsong, time represents not only accumulated strength, but also a responsibility to give back to society and a vision to lead the industry. In 1990, our founder and honorary chairman, Dr. Chen Hsong, donated all its shares in Chen Hsong Holdings Limited to establish the Chen Hsong Industrial Charity Foundation, dedicating himself to nurturing talent within the industry. Today, Ms. Blaiyuan Jiang, chairman and CEO of Chen Hsong Group, is leading the company in spearheading green manufacturing and circular economy in sustainable development initiatives locally and abroad. We keep to stand at the forefront of the plastic injection molding industry and create the greatest value for our global customers through perfect quality, advanced technologies, and relentless pursuit of innovation. This encapsulates Chen Hsong's vision, an outcome shaped by the depth of experience across time.